Hi, it's Wazza here again, and today I just wanted to show you how to make random textures or connected textures, but they're random. You need either MCPATCHER or OPTIFINE to be able to do these, or to be able to see them, and you can put them into resource packs and that sort of thing. So I'll just show you the first example of something I made. It's like barrels of food, and they're random, as you can see. There are quite a few different versions of this. Each different texture has a rotated model, so it does a rotated texture, so it doesn't have it doesn't look tiled like it would. Yeah, but there is one problem with that. It messes up these things a bit. Yeah, things, right. So also there's some random textures on the side as well, but I will show you how to make these. So here I am in my resource pack, and to make these, it's not like the usual go into assets, Minecraft textures. You have to go in assets, Minecraft, and then here you have to do a new folder called MCPATCHER. Then in this folder, make a new folder called CTM. Yeah, so that shows the connected textures. And in here, you can organize your files or your textures in any way, really, as long as you can find it, and it can and either OPTIFINE and MCPATCHER can actually go through this to find what you want. So I've got random textures there. It could be named anything, it could be any order, it could be going through loads of files to get this. But inside I have a few random textures here. I have a red, green, and blue. And to make them random, it won't do anything at the moment. I have to do new text document. You have to name it a certain block. Well, it has to be old block IDs, even though you're in 1.8, whatever. So I'm gonna do, for cobblestone, I'm gonna do it's block 4, so block 4. Yeah, and you do tiles equals 0 to 2. So that's you've selected the tiles you want, and then method equals random. So you want random, and yeah, I think that's about it. And now it should work. Also, you can do other things like metadata and the data of it, and biomes, and lots of other stuff you can experiment with. But I'm just doing this at the moment, and it isn't always random. It can be CTM. It can be like just connected textures. It can be vertical, horizontal, repeat, loads of different types. But random is one of the easiest one to make. So then, once you've done that, you can't just leave it as a text file. You have to do file, save as. You have to do it as all files, and put this as dot properties, like that, and then save, and then exit this, and there it is. So then you delete this. You don't need this at all, and yeah, and you're done. I'll be back in Minecraft and I'll show you what it does. So here I am back in Minecraft again, and I've got the cobblestone texture, but as you can see here, the item hasn't changed. It's because using connected textures, it doesn't actually change the item. It just changes the block. So as you can see here, it's random, and I've got different textures on different sides. You can change like which side it displays on. I will be showing you how to do that as well. So I'm back inside the folder, random textures folder, and to control what side this texture displays on, you go into the properties file, go faces, and you can do equals, you can do top, you can do bottom, you can do north, south, east, west, whatever. You can do, I think all might work, I'm not really sure, and also you can do sides. So yeah, so but don't do all of them at once, so just choose one of them. I mean, you can do like things like north and east and west if you don't want south, but there's no point doing this. You can just do sides. Yeah, so I'm gonna do just sides like this, and just do biome equals equals, I'm gonna do planes. So the wall I'm on, it won't display, but it will if I change the biome of a certain block. Okay, so just now you can just X save, and I'll see you back in Minecraft once I've edited some biomes. So here we are back in Minecraft again, and believe it or not, this here is just desert like all the rest, as you can see. Where is it gone? Desert. And this is plains. There. So just placing blocks, and suddenly the sides in the plains biome are random with using 3 different colors, which is a pretty cool thing for your texture pack. But you have to remember, you do have to have either OPTIFINE or MCPATCHER to be able to see this. So yeah, but everyone has the mod anyway, so you might as well make it for your texture pack. So I was just going to show you quickly at the end of this video how I made the barrels for the barrels I showed you at first in this video. So I'm in my Minecraft folder here. I'm in assets, Minecraft, and I've got MCPATCHER here, and this is the pack that I'm sort of making, but haven't made much progress on, which has the barrels on it. It's sort of meant to be like a medieval time, sort of themed 32x32 pack. So if I go into CTM, I've got miscellaneous and random, and I've used diamond for different crates, but emerald, which is the barrels, is here. So because there's different sides and top and everything, I've used, and then top and sides. I think sides is just a random one, but it isn't very interesting. But the top is the one which has all the different textures in it. So I'll show you. I've got all these. So I've got 5 different type textures, and I've got each texture has 4 different rotations to stop it from looking tiled. So in here I have block 133.properties, which is the emerald block, and here it is: tile 0 to 5, 10 to 15, 20 to 25, 30 to 35. Yeah, just so I can make out which ones are rotated. So I go 0 to 5, 10 to 15, 20. So I'm missing out 5 every time. So just make sure it's well organized. And here faces top. So that's how I did it. I didn't include any biomes in here because I didn't really need to. So it made quite a lot of textures, and that's how you do it. So thanks for watching this video. If you found that it helped you with anything, then please subscribe, and for more videos like this. Bye.